Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Ghostty installed and ready, so do that now. First, install the Ghostty binary or use your package manager. You need Node, JS14 or later and open SSL. Once installed, open a clean terminal window and run Ghostty in it to create a local profile. Enter your API key when prompted. This step sets up credentials and a default config, so later commands work without repeating authentication. Make sure the terminal emulator supports 256 colors. Ghostty uses color for session hints. Once done, you configure and run sessions. Create a session with Ghostty session create followed by a name, save host, user, and key presets so you avoid typing them later. Then start a shell with Ghostty run your session. Add P2222 if you need a custom port. Edit the config. JSON in ~. Ghostty to adjust timeouts, logging levels, and key bindings. These settings control reconnection behavior and session history. This keeps your workflows consistent and speeds repeated access. You finish by validating everything works. Run a few commands in each session, enable auto-reconnect if you need resilience, and save a session snapshot for recovery. If you hit problems, permission denied, key format errors, or network timeouts, start with a quick check. Run Ghostty Doctor to run diagnostics, then inspect the logs in ~. Ghostty/logs for clear error messages. If the key is wrong, re-import it in the session settings. Once fixed, reconnect and resume work, you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.